After 99 years and 4 generations of doing business in the city of Detroit, we have opened Detroit's first ever decorative plumbing showroom.
When we first opened our doors in 1920, across from what is now the Motor City Casino, we primarily sold pipes, valves, and fittings to repair the city. My father dreamed of a day when our family would be able to build a decorative plumbing showroom in the city, and now we have.
Motor City Match, we had this idea that we were going to turn loose entrepreneurs and cause businesses to fill in vacant storefronts where they otherwise wouldn't go. And so every quarter, I sit down with the DEGC team and they bring me the proposed projects. And we get a lot of restaurants and nail salons, fitness centers, clothing stores, retail. But this is what we'd hope for, that we take abandoned buildings and turn them into storefronts.
Honored to be up here. Thank you to the Moss family for your support of Midtown, Detroit, and the region. That commitment to the city and having Detroiters working with other Detroiters, Detroit-based businesses supporting each other is what it takes.
I taught my kids that when things get tough, you just don't close up shop, you don't walk away, you persevere. And if you work hard enough and you work long enough, success may look just like this.